It's easy, it's fast, it's fun, and it works so effectively, manifesting anything you desire with water. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So this method is so fun. It's so easy to do. It's so effective, and it always works for me. I'm sure it will work for you. So the first thing you're going to need, high flyers, is a clear intention. And the second thing you're going to need is you're going to need a nice clear pitcher of water. That's it. Now, understand this, that water is like wax. The ancients believed that the universe wasn't necessarily created in the way we typically understand. It was carved out. That's what the ancient Kabbalists called it. They carved out, God carved out the universe, made space for the universe to exist. And it's the same thing with water. Water takes on your energy, on your intention, and allows for your manifestation to exist. So what happens is that strong emotions and strong, clear intentions will impress upon this water all the changes I need. And then as I consume it, it literally begins to change my energy field on a cellular level from the inside out. It not only changes my energy field, it helps change my biology, and it changes my thinking pattern as well. And if you want to understand how water can change your thinking pattern, just think about when you're dehydrated and when you have that nice cold glass of water, how good you feel and how much more clearly you can think afterwards. The late Dr. Emoto from Japan did a lot of research into this whole notion of water. And he believed, and I believe as well, that water has consciousness. It can take on your consciousness. Water can take on your intentions. So in his experiments, Dr. Emoto would subject water to various types of music, various types of words, various types of energy, and then he would flash freeze the water, and he would be able to slice a little bit of that frozen ice and look under it under a microscope, and he could see the water had turned to various crystals. We'll put a few of them up here on the screen so you can see them in the background, or in the foreground, I should say. But anyway, each crystal represents a different vibratory energy. And so think about it. If you are sincere and if you are clear with your intention, whatever it may be, love, money, prosperity, joy, all of that, if you are clear with your intention, you can transfer that intention into this water. Now, notice I use a glass pitcher because I don't want anything to interfere with the vibration. And glass tends to be very, very clear. And it is a liquid of sorts, believe it or not. I don't like using plastic. Okay. So you can try it with plastic, but I have found that I know some people do it with their plastic drinking bottles, but I found this to be so much more effective. Now, let me set this aside over here. I'm going to use my intention, and the intention is for a healthy, happy relationship, a healthy, happy relationship. And I can even put the person's name there if I wish to. Now, understand that I could have made this for money. I could have made this for a new car, a new home, a new job, whatever. I just chose this because, well, it's easy. This is it. This is the intention. Healthy, happy relationship. Okay. Now I need what we call phrases or words. Metaphrases or words are words that express an overall arching feeling or expression of my intention. So the first word I'm going to use is love. The second word I'm going to use is joy. And the third word I'm going to use is passion. So those are my three metaphrases or words. You can use whatever you find appropriate for your intention. And now I'm going to pause this for a moment. I'm going to set it the way it needs to be so you understand it. And I'll be right back. Okay, high flyers, we're back. And here we are. So here's what we did. We took and I put the specific intention, happy, loving relationship, on top, and then I use the meta phrase words or the meta words: joy, love, and passion. Now you can use a glass-based pen as well. You don't have to tape it up here. I like using a picture because I don't want to do this all the time. So now I'm going to hold this picture with my hand, and I'm going to kind of put my intention into it, but I'm going to literally visualize light coming from the top of my head, down my arms, through my hands, and into this pitcher of water. And I'm focusing on my intention. I'm visualizing my intention. I'm feeling it. You know, Neville Goddard says, feeling is the secret. I'm feeling it. So I see it, I feel it. And I might do this for upwards of 10 minutes or so. I like to put a little music on in the background when you're doing this. Turn off your phone, make sure you're undisturbed. And I like to do an entire pitcher of water at one time. And the reason is I don't want to keep repeating this. Now, when I'm ready, I just pour the charged water. I call it living charged water. It's living because it's alive with your intention. It's alive with what you desire. So it is living, and it's charged water. And I drink it throughout the day. You might need to make one of these every day. Do it every night as before you go to bed. Do it every night because the next morning it's been charging all night with your intention. And as you start to drink that water down throughout the day, you're going to feel so good. You're going to feel so optimistic. You're going to feel things snapping for you, just opening up for you, just beginning to happen for you. And it's a wonderful feeling how well this charged water, this manifestation water, this living water works. I mean, it's incredible. I've used it for money. I've used it for health. I've used it for healing other people. I've used it for new cars. I've used it for new homes. I've used it for all kinds of things. Naturally, I do my affirmations and other things along with it, but this really works. So there you go. It's yours. Try it, use it, share your results down below. I'd like to read it. Have a great day. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.